Hello everyone, welcome to the channel how to make a Google Analytics account. So let's get started. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or your browser and write Google Analytics account and search it. Now you have to find a perfect website where you can sign up for your account. You have to tap on the website and it will take you to the original website. Wait for a little while it is opening. After the website is open, you have to tap on start mirroring and it will show you this interface. You have to fill all this information, my new account name. Then you have to agree yourself on these instructions. Read these instructions carefully and tap on it. After clicking next, you have to write your property name and you have to report the time zone of your present country. Then select your currency. After setting all this information, tap on the next option and it will take you to the next page which you are going to fill. Now you have to give all your business information. Is your business small, medium, large, very large? And press create. Now you have to read all these terms and conditions and tap on accept and your Google Analytics account will be created. Thank you so much for watching the video and I hope you liked the video. By following these steps, you can create your Google Analytics account easily.